this video today, guys, I want to show you how you can download and copy any video from any sales page and paste it onto websites like this, and another website like this.
So this is Smart Money Tactics, and he shows people how to make money online. Now in this video he claims to make $400 a day using Rumble. Notice that his video is also 26 minutes long, but don't worry, we won't take that much time, guys.
I have made $141 and I'm just going to reload this page to show you that this is 100% legit.
Right, so he will be showing some evidence first, but what we need to see is obviously the methods.
To my Payoneer account, you can see that there is $403 that I just transferred over from JV. If I click onto this, you can see here $403. There's a few dollars in fees. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to withdraw this in front of you.
It's even better that he wants to withdraw, but again, we want to see the methods, not how much money he made. Of course, this is also irrelevant. He has around 400,000 subscribers, so his influence is much bigger than ours for sure.
If you want to also make money with affiliate marketing, copying and pasting these videos, it's one of the easiest ways that you can get started with affiliate marketing.
Now, just like plenty of other creators, his ways to make $400 a day is through affiliate marketing. Now this all seems good in theory, but when it comes to practice, unless you have a big audience, you won't do anything, guys. I've tried it multiple times and it's very hard to do so.
One of the best things about this affiliate marketing strategy isn't that you just copy and paste this video, but you can also do this on Warrior Plus, clickbank.com, Digistore24, and even JV, which I have done many times.
At least finally he's starting to mention some websites that actually make us money. Now we get this money through affiliate marketing. So if you make a sale, you will get a commission for the sale you make.
Go down the bottom, click onto that first link in my description and get my free ultimate affiliate marketing guide, which is going to show you many different ways that I make money with affiliate marketing.
Ah, how convenient. Of course, he has his own ebook.
Now, once you're on Warrior Plus, what you need to do is you need to come up to the top, go to affiliates and click onto offers.
Now we're going to skip this part, and just because he's going to show you the prices that you can make for making a sale. What we need to know is how to drive traffic to actually make the sales. And I think that is where copying and pasting the videos comes in.
What you can do from there is come over here, guys, and click on to request approval. And what you want to do is type in something like this. Let them know what your name is and that you want to promote their product.
So on the Warrior Plus affiliate website, you cannot start making money straight away. The company that is offering the affiliate sales needs to approve you first. So if you don't have any good traffic, for sure you won't get approved.
And then what you want to do is you want to come over to Bitly. Bitly is a shortening service. It's a site where you can shorten that link so it doesn't look long. You want it to be obviously a lot shorter.
Once you actually get approved into the affiliate marketing program, he wants you to go to Bitly, shorten the link and make it look more presentable. Now,
as you can see here, when I hover over this top bit, it says Wistia Video Downloader. And this is because I have this extension. If I come up to the top up here and I click onto this, you can see I've got this downloader over here.
This is actually a useful tip. I've checked about Wistia Video Downloader and it seems to be a Google free extension.
You can see if you click onto this, it's going to allow you to view and watch these videos on different types of ratings. But also what you want to do is you want to click onto 1080p.
It's very easy to download videos using the Wistia Video Downloader, but he hasn't answered our question yet. How do we make $400 a day?
So you can see I can just grab and drop this in here, and this is going to download this video. I'm just going to pause that. And we're going to stretch this out.
Right, so he will be using Canva to edit the advert videos, and he will put in his own affiliate link inside the video.
Just remember, go down the bottom and download my free affiliate marketing guide.
In a 26-minute video supposedly showing us how to make money, he showed us at least twice his own affiliate marketing book.
The first one that we're going to use is this one over here called rumble.com. This is one of the easiest platforms that you can go to upload these different types of videos absolutely for free.
If you still don't know about Rumble, it's basically a YouTube alternative where you can post videos for free. There won't be a lot of traffic, although to be fair, Rumble is starting to hit it off.
From here, guys, you can very easily grab this video that you just downloaded and just drag it onto there. And as you can see, this video is downloading very, very quickly.
So I have nothing against him, but if you squeeze in the entire 26-minute video, all you will get is he makes the $400 a day using Rumble and affiliate marketing. So practically what he does, to shorten this a little bit more, first he finds the product. Then he steals the video advert, he basically just downloads it and edits it to put in his own affiliate link. He spams websites like Rumble and YouTube for his video to get some views, and through those views, if he makes a sale, he will get a commission. But let us think for just a second. If we don't have any audience, how are we going to make money? It's not like we have around 400,000 subscribers to lean on. For us, we have to start from scratch. And even to make the first sale, it could take you upwards to a month. Even more in some cases. It all depends from your skill and actually some luck. But anyways, that's it for this video. Hope it helped you to not get duped by financial gurus. Like and subscribe to keep updated with all new videos to come. I'll see you in the next one. See you.